Honk. Come on, honk. Oh my gosh, I love...
You have to shout it as loud as you can. Say it. It's on.
Honk.
Yes, on!
Thanks.
Yes!
Yay. Ye honk. It's him, honk. 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 Honk, honk. Oh, honk. Honk. Well, why no one be even offered to honk? Dun 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 dun. Honk, honk. Come on, honk.
Oh.
Did honk. Honk. Oh my god. Shout louder. Oh my fucking god. Oh, they are kidding me. See, today we went there. Nobody is honking at us. What a shame. Honk! Honk! Audi, honk! Theo.
Yes, a honk!
Just honk! Theo, this. Honk! Honk! Honk!
Yes, honk!
Shout louder!
Get Granadale over if you want someone to shout.
What?
Get Granadale if you want someone to shout really loud.
Theo! Oh, Isaac be happy if my mate. Oh, how fun is it to see anyone? It's be like. Not. He used to be like. What are you doing? Where come?
Yes,
Come on, somebody. We are be. That car is like a pedo. That is like. That. Honk!
yes, honk!
Honk! Oh dear. What a shame.
That van, isn't it?
What?
They get your thumbs up, you not see him. You need to look inside the windows too. It won't just be honk.